Hey guys, so today I'm gonna walk you through how to fix the sticky aperture blades on the Pentax-M 28mm 2.8 and 35 2.8. So the fix is pretty much, just open it up and then get access to the aperture blade and then just clean it up really. So it's quite common fault on this lenses because the grease or the oil lubrication that they use kind of degrades over time and it becomes sticky. And usually what happens, so this one's fixed, right? But usually what happens is when it's working, then the aperture should be like that, right? It opens and closes very quickly. But when you have a sticky oily aperture blades, then it's gonna go slow even if you flick this very fast. So to do that, you're just going to need quite a few things, simple things, right? So you're going to need the lens and camera repair tool, like this, and same with this, those rubbery things, a lens repair tool, to open it up. So these two. You're going to need a rocket blower to clean it up, as well as a cloth, a cleaning cloth, and a solvent of your choice. In my case, I'm using alcohol. And yeah, so now we'll start at the front. Yeah, so to do this, you need the right size. Yep, that's the one. And you need to press and turn anti-clockwise. That's it. To remove the front cover. Then here, hopefully you can see it. From here, you need, so there's a few things that you can remove, but in this case we're going to remove the black ring. And you need to turn it counterclockwise. Be careful not to scratch the lens when you're doing it. There. And from here you can remove the whole front elements. There. Right, so now you have access to the aperture blades. Now we do the rear side. Use this lens remover tool. You see the holes right there. Just need to adjust it so that it fits. There. Counterclockwise this one. So be careful not to lose any parts. Right, now that you have access to the aperture blades, and I think at this point, the aperture blade will be sticky, oily. So what you need to do is just spray your solvent in, and then gently dry it off And what I usually do is the reason why I use alcohol is it evaporates really quickly, right? So once you've sprayed alcohol, wipe it off very carefully, right? And just very gently, then spray it. Spray both sides until the oil is gone, right? So you move it slowly as well and make sure that all the oil residues are gone. And once you're done, you just put everything back together, right? So once the aperture blade is done, it's clean, sometimes it's still sticky. So what I usually do is I spray alcohol down there to loosen up the... Let's do that then. Yeah. Some of the oily residues the other side. Yeah. And once that is done, just move it a little bit like that so that it loosens up. Spray, and blow until it's dry, and then install everything back together. So we'll start in this way. We'll start with the rear elements. That's done, and then now the front elements. I think the way to go is like this, right? Make sure it's straight. Right. There. The black ring. Nice. Doesn't have to be too tight, yeah. Just needs to be fixed. Looks good. Yep. Clockwise to tighten it. There you have it. Hopefully that helps someone. Super easy to clean the aperture blades. And if you like, Feel free to comment or subscribe. Have a good day, guys, and enjoy fixing. Cheers. Bye.